video.
Another video today. My bad, I didn't mean to play the video. Today we got a new video from Ford. They are coming out. They're showing their new 2025 Mustang for the first time. This year is a carbon fiber.
Coke boy, baby.
And we actually have never seen anything like this in the car community, aka muscle car community. We've never seen a car that's actually made from factory carbon fiber. Unheard of.
Coke boy, baby.
Alright, without further ado, we're gonna get straight into the video. Let's do it. Shout out to Ford. I own a Ford myself. Shout out to the Mustang community. Shout out to the Ford community. Let's go.
I'm Joe Bolito, Mustang GTD brand manager here at Ford. I want to welcome you all here tonight to the place where Mustang GTD is at home, and that's at the track. We have decades of racing and winning experience that we're leveraging to make the most track-capable Mustang ever. It all starts when we took that car to the Nürburgring. We wanted to do what no other American car had ever done, and that was set a sub 7-minute lap time. Not only did we do that, we went back months later and beat it by 5 seconds. Unbelievable. Mustang GTD is the pinnacle of what we have to offer. It's the most track-capable Mustang we've ever produced, and we're excited to show it. We take what we learned from the track, and we brought that out every single place. Mustang GTD is the best car we've ever had to put out there. You know, we have competitors like Corvette that went out and beat our lap time. We take the competition, we embrace the track, and we brought that out every single place. Mustang GTD is the best.
Hello? Yes, ma'am, this is he. Oh, okay, because I did receive the email, but I just haven't reached out to you guys about it. Right now I'm currently handling some business. I should be able to get back to you guys shortly. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Trying to get me sell a dog. Trying to get me to buy a dog. Now, where does smoke come from?
Mustang GTD is the pinnacle of what we have to offer. It's the most track-capable Mustang we've ever produced, and we're excited to show it. We take what we learned from the track, and we brought that out every single place. Mustang GTD is the best car we've ever had to put out there. You know, we have competitors like Corvette that went out and beat our lap time. We take the competition, we embrace it, but as Jim Farley said, it's game on. So as we look at Mustang GTD, we have all the different combinations that we have to offer. We've got our base series, our Spirit of America, and our Carbon series. And we're taking that Carbon series and we're enhancing it even more with the next generation of the liquid carbon GTD.
25 carbon fiber version. What?
Choice is the ultimate luxury, and now it's yours with Taco Bell's $5 box, $7 box, and $9 box. Now featuring the cheesy street chalupas. That's Lux for less. The $5, $7, and $9 Lux Cravings boxes only at Taco Bell.
Go back.
There we go. What do we think? Liquid carbon GTD is 13 pounds lighter than similarly equipped GTDs. It comes standard with the performance package, unique black brake calipers, and inside you'll notice unique hyperline stitching, a gradient stripe going down the center of the seat, really ties it all together. But really, when you get up close and personal to it, it's the carbon fiber, it's the craftsmanship that the team at the plant put together. The carbon fiber weave comes together perfectly at the center of each panel. And if you know carbon fiber, you know how intricate and delicate that process can be. So the next generation of the GTD liquid carbon is here, and we're excited to show it off. So I want to invite you all to come up and take a look. But now we actually have Bruce Wansa, who is the owner of this GTD. He's the first customer of a liquid carbon GTD. Thanks, Bruce. So Bruce, your first GTD liquid carbon customer. Do you have any other liquid carbon cars?
I do have one other liquid carbon car. It's the first liquid carbon GT.
That's pretty special. So you have two of the first liquid carbon vehicles that we have to offer.
Which makes me very happy.
Yeah, I bet it does. Well, it couldn't have gone to a better person. We're excited to have you here to experience this event. So please, I invite you all to come up and take a look and ask any questions and see it up close and personal.
First look at the Mustang GTD Liquid Carbon Edition. Pretty crazy with that fully exposed carbon fiber weave that perfectly comes together right there in the middle. Every inch of this, even on the inserts, are fully exposed carbon fiber. That's crazy, even the badge right there in the middle, right? If we look to the left, yeah, that's not carbon, but I realize that these intakes, these lower blades are not fully exposed carbon fiber. Coming to the side, the louver blades are the standard finish that you have with the GTD, but whoa, so versus the standard GTD, these doors are not carbon fiber, but this finish altogether, I mean, night and day different. Let us know your thoughts down below. There's also a new custom interior, as you can see right there, with the dotted effect of like a center stripe and a yellow/green stitching that goes all the way around. So with my Mustang GTD on order, to get something like this is a different process completely. So order status update on mine. Stay tuned for a follow-up video when I have more to share when it comes to delivery time frame. I think comparing this to my McLaren 750S when I get it, I really do think that on this track, if we did a
Hello. Yes, sir. Gotcha. Okay. Uh, are you available tomorrow? Are you available? Are you guys open tomorrow? Oh no. I'm not saying. I'm saying like I can handle what I need to handle with you tomorrow ahead of time instead of just waiting Tuesday, because I am serious about working with you guys, and I know it's been pushed off for so long. So I just wanted to get it done as soon as possible. Mhm. Mhm. I think I was looking at like 100 or something. Yes. We can do both if I mean I'll stick to both because I'm gonna stick to the original plan. I'll do both. Okay. Um. Okay. Well, okay. We can just stick to the front then. We can just stick to the front because yes, I would do want an embroidery. Oh, nah, you good. I don't wanna rush you. I okay. 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 See you at 2:10. Okay. Okay. I'll look for you midday tomorrow. Yeah. Yes, sir. No, it's a pleasure. Thank you. All right. Merch.
127. When I get the GTD, I hope to beat it, if we can, on the track. The rear bumper fully exposed is a very nice change. You can see where the weave kind of centers right there vertically and goes all the way down. The diffuser looks really aggressive, but you can get that standard with the carbon series, fully exposed carbon, along with other options on the car from what I remember. What I really do think is this is going to cost a lot more money versus a standard GTD, but if you've got the funds and you've got the allocation, I suppose this should be the pinnacle version. See, this comes with the performance package that gives you the active aerodynamics. The Cup 2R is aggressive. It'll be great to see one of these get tracked. The thing about it is that when you get a build of a supercar like this with such a beautiful finish, you really don't want to damage it, right? Like, you wouldn't dare want to get this thing on the track and have anything bad happen to it, right? So hopefully someone does get this and is not concerned at all about taking it onto the road course, because it kind of defeats the purpose of the GTD, in my honest opinion, if you don't ever drive it on the racetrack. But that interior finish change looks pretty neat with the vehicle. Let's circle back. I also noticed right there the extensions on the hood have also been improved, where they're carbon fiber as well. So they really went above and beyond. The one thing they missed out on, though, is right there, that cowl in front of the windshield is not exposed carbon. That would have been a cool touch. I used to see that a lot. And also, boy, I just realized something. If we look at not only where these blades are, but the A-pillar right here is paint matched with like a dark gray. So the A-pillar all the way up and around is not in carbon fiber. See that? Carbon fiber here. This whole pillar is standard. Okay guys, well, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, or help me out and subscribe for much more great content coming at you, right? That's our first look at the Mustang GTD carbon, liquid carbon. And it's pretty wild. It's pretty wild. Do you have one coming? Let us know. Again, hit the like button, subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. And while you do that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video coming out. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe.
Y'all go check that boy out. Phenom. Speed Phenom. And I'm not gonna lie. I need that GTD, y'all. it's definitely looking good. GTD look good, real good. But that's it for this. I just wanted to show y'all what's a new up and coming. Hopefully I see this in a real version. Hopefully I see someone own this in real life somewhere, some way, and just speak to them. Hopefully I pray that I be able to own one myself. Honestly, forget seeing somebody else with it, but I ain't no hater, and I know I can't afford it right now. So whoever is able to afford it, I appreciate you for admiring true crafty mechanical art. That's art right there, from inside out. I don't care what nobody say. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace. And we out.
I'll see you in the next one.